Alright guys, so we're back with another elimination. So last time we eliminated the y's. Now somebody would want to eliminate the x's. But remember, for us to eliminate, it's like the aim is to get same numbers. Ne? For example, if you have 5 here, you have 5 here, you can say 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So how do we get the 2 and the 5 to be the same in a way that when we want to want to eliminate, then the numbers are the same and we can just subtract them? Right. So that means we need to have the LCM, the lowest common multiple, or HCF. Right. So we want a number that 5 can go into and 2 can go into. So looking at these two numbers, our LCM or HCF would be 10. Right. So how do we get this 2 to be a 10? So we are going to multiply by 5. How do we get the 5 to be a 10? We're going to multiply it by 2. But now whatever that we multiply there, we multiply with the whole equation. You cannot only multiply the first number, you multiply every single thing. Equals to 12. So everything has to be multiplied. You do not exclude anything. Right, so let's multiply 2 with 5. We get 10x. 5 with y, we get plus 5y. Then 5 times 12, we get it's 60. Eh? Why am I not trusting my answers? Yes, it's 60. It's 60. Now this is our equation number 1. Right, 2 multiplied by 5, this is gonna give us 10x. Then 2 multiplied by y, this is gonna give us 2y. Then 21 multiplied by 2, it's gonna give us 42. So this is gonna be 42, and this is our equation number 2. Now looking at our equation, do you see now we can actually get rid of this thing by subtracting? We can say 10 minus 10, then it gives us 0. So now we'll be left with the y's to look at. So if we say 10 minus 10, we get 0, meaning we need to subtract the equations. So we're going to say, let's subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. If we do that, then we say 10x minus 10x, then we get 0x, right? Now we don't write because we're trying to eliminate that. So it's 0, you don't have to write it. Then we say 2 minus 5, then we get minus 3y, equal to 42 minus 60, which gives us negative 18. Then we divide both sides by negative 3. Divide both sides by negative 3. So y is equal to negative divided by negative is positive. So y is equal to positive 6. Now let's go back. Do you remember we got y equals to positive 6? Yes. Right, we're not done. We found the y. So let's find the x. How about we substitute y is equal to 6 in any equation that we want? Now, would you like to substitute it in the equations that we already made or the original ones? So I'm going to use these ones because we're currently working with this. So I'm going to choose equation number 1. So I have 10x plus 5 times 6 is equal to 60. So we have 10x plus 30, which is equal to 60. Then I'm going to transpose the 30 to the other side. Then I have 10x. And then if I subtract these two, I'm going to get 30. then 10x divided by 10 divided by 10, so x is equal to 3. And here on top we got our x to be equal to 3. So meaning whether you eliminate, whether you eliminate x or y, you still need to get the same answer. Do you guys understand?